pleats on Benet's top. So this is one of the front pieces. At the very top and bottom, I marked the pleat lines. It's really kind of hard to see on this fabric. There's a mark right there. And you can see the mark right there. And then at the bottom, we have a corresponding mark right there and right there. So what I'm going to do is lay the top piece. I like to lay it right side down. So wrong side up. You're going to find those marks that you made in step number 1. And you're going to fold the fabric wrong sides together, matching up the pleat mark at the top and the pleat mark at the bottom. So I already did that, and then I ironed all along this crease right here. So again, there's a mark right there, and there's a mark right here. So now I'm going to go over to my table and move on to step number 3. Okay, so now I've taken a straight ruler and I've aligned it with the armhole here, with the bottom of the arm size. This is a 2T, so I'm going to measure over 1 inch. You're going to refer to the chart that's in step 3 to see how much you're going to measure over. But you're always going to line it with the bottom of the arm size there. And you're going to measure over, like I said, this is a 2T, so I'm going to measure in 1 inch. I'm just going to make a small little mark there. I'm going to place a pin. Basically, all I'm doing here is just finding a stopping point for the stitching, because after I put a pin here, I'm going to take it to the machine and sew from the top of the crease here all the way down using a 1 inch seam allowance, because this is a 2T. Use a 1 inch seam allowance to sew all the way down. So I'm about to go do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now you can see my stitching from the top all the way down to where I placed my pin at the bottom. So now this pleat is pretty much complete. I'm going to move on and do the next pleat. So it's a little bit more tricky. And try this one-handed here. So again, I'm going to turn it with the fabric right side down, so wrong side up. And I'm going to fold it back and find that pleat mark. There's one pleat mark right there. And I'm going to find the corresponding pleat mark at the bottom, which is right there. And then once I'm able to use 2 hands, I'll press that down, and then we'll move on and I'll show you what it looks like once all the pleats are completed. All right, now all the pleats are sewn, so you've got the 2 pleats right here. I'm going to take these over to the iron, and we're going to iron these pleats towards the arm. I'm going to grab a seam allowance ruler and make sure that each of these pleats, since I'm doing a 2T, is 1 inch thick all the way down. So I want the depth of it to be 1 inch. I'm going to make sure that these lay flat at the top. So when this is pressed properly, which I'll show you after I iron, this should all align at the top. So if it doesn't align at the top, you need to rip out some seams and start over. Okay, so now this has been nice and pressed. You can see it's even across the top, and the pleats are nice and even all the way down. So now I'll repeat this on the other front piece and the back piece, and then I'll show you what they all look like. All right, all the pieces are completed now, so you can see on the left here is one of the front pieces. The pleats kind of blend in, but you can see there's both pleats there. And then on the back, there's the 4 pleats. So 1, 2 on each side. And here's the other one. All right, and now we're ready to continue on with construction.
Hi, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.